Do you want to get My AI on Snapchat? Then you are at the right place. We have a way to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go to source for tech tips and fixes. Previously, My AI was available only to Snapchat Plus subscribers, but now My AI is free to all. Open the Snapchat app and go to the Chat tab. Select My AI from the list. If this is your first time using AI on Snapchat, you will be greeted with a welcome message. Tap on Accept to start chatting. If you cannot see the My AI option, update your Snapchat app from the App Store or Play Store. My AI is free for everyone, so the latest version includes it. If you still cannot see the My AI feature, then uninstall and reinstall Snapchat. This should fix the issue. And there you have it, the method to access My AI on Snapchat. We hope the method has worked for you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the solution. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.